So you want to start going to the gym. Okay, here is my 5 tips on what you need to know before going to the gym. Hey guys, I am back with another video. Today I'm going to be telling you 5 tips you need to know before you start going to the gym. So I know going to the gym can be really scary, and a lot of times you may be kind of nervous. You don't know how the people are going to act. Are you going to be sticking out as a sore thumb? It can be all kinds of nerve-wracking before you even get into the gym. So I'm going to walk you through 5 things you should know before going to the gym. Number 1, I know going to the gym can be scary, and a lot of times it can be kind of nerve-wracking because you think you're going to be the only one that sticks out in the gym and everybody else are going to know what they're doing and you're just going to be the newbie in there. It's not the case. I promise. I remember when I first started going to the gym, I was so nervous. I didn't know what I was doing. I was young. I had never been in the gym before. I was definitely not in shape. But I promise you, you're going to realize that everybody else is worried about what they're doing. Nobody's really looking at you. Most people who go to the gym are going to be in their own world and they're not really worried about everyone else around them. If you're scared about going into the weight section, take a 5, 10, or 15 pound dumbbell and go into a corner, do your own workout, and you don't have to worry about being watched. The second thing you need to know, the weight section is not your enemy at all. A lot of people think weights are going to make you bulky, but it takes a lot to build muscle. I have been going to the gym for 3 years now, and I'm not bulky. Building muscle is not going to happen as quickly as you think, so don't worry if you go to the weight section. The last reason you should not be scared of lifting weights, weights are going to help you build muscles and make areas look bigger, which in turn makes areas smaller. How do you think people get that cinched waist look? They're building their back and shoulders, and in turn it is making it look like you're doing this. So you want to sculpt your body and shape it, you're going to want to get in the weight section. The third tip you need to know before going to the gym is rest days. Rest days are okay. It took me forever to get this in my head. I thought that I had to go to the gym every day and work out every single day. Let me tell you, that is going to hurt way more than it's going to help. Let me just break this down for you. So when you're going to the gym and you're working your muscle, you're building them. And the way muscles are built is by tearing microfibers. When it tears them, as you recover, it builds them up stronger. So your body actually needs at least 1 to 2 rest days a week so that it has time to rebuild those muscle tissues and make you stronger. So take a rest day. The fourth thing I want you to know is you do not have to do 2 hours of cardio when you go into a gym. I don't know about you, I hate cardio. I hate it. I find the treadmill boring. I don't want to go get on a treadmill for an hour and just walk and run in the same place. There are so many other forms of cardio you can do. Anything that gets the heart rate up is doing the same thing as cardio. So do not feel like you have to go get on that treadmill and run nonstop for hours upon hours. You're going to get burnt out and you're not going to like it. So my biggest tip for this, find a type of cardio you personally find very enjoyable. And I promise it'll make it way better. So the 5th and final tip before you go to the gym should never, ever, listen to me when I say this, the gym should never be a place that you dread going. I know there are some days that maybe you're like, I really don't want to go to the gym today. There are some days where we're not feeling it. There's some days I don't feel like going to the gym. But it's not that I dread it and I don't want to go. It's just that I'm kind of being lazy that day. To keep from dreading the gym, you need to get comfortable. You need to get comfortable with the equipment. You need to understand your surroundings in there and make sure that you are comfortable going and getting your exercise. Having the comfortability of being like, I know I'm going to go do some cardio and some weights today. Maybe you're going to hit the biceps. Maybe you're going to do leg day. You're going to dread going to the gym if you don't like your exercise. Exercise should make you feel good, mama. It should not make you dread it. You should not be feeling worse than you were going out than you did coming in. You should walk out feeling like you got something done and accomplished. The great thing about the gym is it's just a place. There's so many different styles of workouts. And all you got to do is use that little search bar Google and find a workout that you like. And then take that workout to the gym, get it done, and you won't dread being there. You're going to enjoy it. So to get your workout and not dread going, you're also going to want to fuel your body. Make sure you're fueled up and happy with the workouts that you choose. Not try to get them over as fast as possible, because if you're getting them over as fast as possible, you're probably not doing them right. Okay guys, that was my 5 tips on what you need to know before going to the gym. I hope you found this video helpful and learned a little bit of something. And maybe now this has encouraged you to go ahead and get started at the gym, because it's not a scary place. It should not be scary. With that said, I'm gonna go. Let me know if you enjoyed this video, what else you want to see, and I'll see you next time. Bye.